Calling all aspiring artists, prepare to have your creative minds blown with these mind-expanding art facts that will take your skills to the next level. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of art? Join us as we explore 10 intriguing facts about art for beginners with a touch of psychology. Discover the mind-blowing therapeutic powers of art and how it can revolutionize your mental well-being. Fact 1. Art as therapy. Did you know that art can be a powerful form of therapy? Expressing your emotions through art can reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being. Start your artistic journey today and experience the therapeutic benefits of creating art. Unleash the hidden secrets of colours and harness their mind-altering effects in your artwork. Fact 2. The power of colour. Colours have a remarkable influence on our emotions. Discover the psychology behind colours and learn how to harness their power to evoke specific feelings in your artwork. Explore the world of colours and unlock new depths in your artistic expression. Unlock the ultimate inspiration hack and fuel your artistic fire with these unexpected sources. Fact 3. Finding inspiration. Seeking inspiration is a vital part of the artistic process. From the beauty of nature to the works of fellow artists, inspiration can be found everywhere. Unleash your creative potential by immersing yourself in the wonders of the world and letting inspiration guide your artistic endeavours. Crush self-doubt like a pro and become the confident artist you were always meant to be. Fact 4. Overcoming self-doubt. Banish self-doubt and unleash your inner artist. Embrace your unique style and journey and let go of the fear of judgment. Break free from the shackles of self-doubt and embark on a path of artistic growth and self-expression. Take a mind-blowing journey through the artistic process and discover the secrets to creating awe-inspiring masterpieces. Fact 5. Artistic process. Creating art is a thrilling journey of exploration and experimentation. Embrace the artistic process, try new techniques, and discover your own artistic voice. Let the process itself become a source of inspiration and fulfillment. Patience is the ultimate artistic superpower. Master this art and witness your skills skyrocket. Fact 6. Practicing patience. Mastering art requires patience and dedication. Celebrate every step of your artistic progress, no matter how small. Embrace the virtue of patience as you develop your skills and watch yourself evolve into the artist you aspire to be. Become a composition wizard and transform your artwork into captivating visual wonders. Fact 7. Understanding composition. Composition is the key to captivating artwork. Learn the principles of composition, such as the rule of thirds and leading lines, to create visually stunning pieces. Discover the art of balanced and harmonious compositions and watch your artwork come alive. Discover the jaw-dropping truth about mistakes and how they can lead you to artistic greatness. Fact 8. Embracing mistakes. Mistakes are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your artistic journey. Embrace the unexpected and transform mistakes into opportunities for growth and innovation. Embracing mistakes will unlock new realms of creativity within you. Unveil the surprising benefits of constructive criticism and propel your art to astonishing heights. Fact 9. Seeking constructive criticism. Seeking feedback from others can elevate your artistic skills. Embrace constructive criticism as a chance for growth and improvement. Engage with the art community and benefit from the collective wisdom of fellow artists. Enter the vibrant world of the art community and unlock an infinite universe of support, collaboration, and inspiration. Fact 10. Art community. Art thrives in a supportive community. Connect with fellow artists, collaborate, and celebrate each other's successes. Immerse yourself in the vibrant art community and embark on a journey of shared inspiration and creativity. Subscribe now to our channel and embark on an artistic journey like no other.